Inside that right you have to insert, otherwise you have to make it. You delete 3 and 4. I'll tell you, you delete 3 and 4. Paste below. Like that, only right. Yeah. Delivery address and this okay. That has to be 2.3 and 2.4. Yeah. See if you know the logic. If one thing is happening, you can do the same for remaining also okay. Yeah, you delete it. Just save it. Okay, once you save it after deleting 3 hours. Oh yes. Now you just collapse number 1 and number 2. You click on that small arrow, is there it? That's collapse. Yeah, number 2 also. Now you just go here. Logically. When that is true, expand when. When you're checking on the checkbox on expand, when expanded number 1, that arrow is there. It's 1. Yeah, see, whenever that is true. The system will perform these set of actions okay. Yeah. And when otherwise, like instead of true. Whatever it is there it will perform null. See, you have given wrong. See now, if you're given wrong now, what will happen when you are uncheck it? Also, the zip code will be there. Yeah, again what you have to do. You have to first check on clipboard again, you have to trace it. Why it is performing like that, or you're checking a rule. Okay, so be careful. Sure. Okay, you just try to give a data now and uncheck those fields. Yeah, check and check, it's not going. It has to go because you have a given customer name as null. Go and see. See whenever you are unchecking it. Oh, you got it, customer zip code only 2 times, yeah. See some mistake we have done. The knowledge system will not behave correctly. Yeah, there will be some error at our end on here. Just say. Now you try. Yes, okay. Yeah, try to give a remaining zip code you try to give. Because just want to see which property are making us know. Check it. Yeah, uncheck it. Okay, you understand the implementation behind it, right? Yes. Yeah. So this will also come. Yeah, I think it has to come. Yeah. Okay, and tomorrow's requirement. I'll tell you the requirement whenever you check it. Okay, whenever you check it, the data is coming on a clipboard also. Now the data will come on a clipboard also, because you're setting the data right. Yeah, so this delivery address should not be visible when you check it, because the data is present in the back end. Why should you show the data, or else you can have one more requirement when you have checked it. Make the below fields as read-only because you have checked it. And if you have, you can still customize the fields right. You can still edit the data. That should not happen, right? Correct. That should not happen in real-time applications. When you check it, these fields has to become read-only. Yeah. Or else these fields should not visible itself. Visible is not visible is okay, because that's how we can verify right. Yeah, then you can make it uneditable. Yeah, you can make it on. Yeah, anything would be fine. Okay, based on best user experience. You have to provide good experience to user. So make it read, only so he can visit. You can see those fields okay. Okay, you try to think how to make these things all on click of that checkbox, based on that true condition. You have to use the true condition. You have to make these things as read-only all the fields.